welcome to Delectable Flavors. In today's video, I will be teaching you how to make cream cheese frosting. Cream cheese frosting goes really well with carrot cakes and red velvet cakes, so let's get started. For this recipe, you will need 3.5 cups of icing sugar, which is roughly 1 pound of icing sugar. You'll also need 1 cup of room temperature cream cheese, 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla extract, as well as half a cup of room temperature butter. So what we're first going to do is, using our electric mixer, or you can use a stand mixer, is cream together our cream cheese as well as vanilla, as the vanilla flavor is really enriched when it comes together with fat. Make sure to save your spatula, as you'll also need it to put your butter in the bowl as well as to scrape down the edges. I'm going to cream this and add the vanilla as I go. I'm going to first start on low. And now I'm going to add my vanilla in. And now you're going to cream this for roughly 4 minutes. Now you are going to add your room temperature softened butter. And you're going to cream this butter as well for approximately 2 to 3 more minutes. Now that we have our cream cheese, butter, and vanilla well creamed, we can start adding our icing sugar, but we're going to add it in parts, and I'm going to divide it in 3 parts. And then you're going to keep mixing until all your icing sugar is fully incorporated into the mixture. Our beautiful cream cheese frosting is now ready for you to decorate upon your carrot cakes or your red velvet cakes. If you want to cream this a bit more, you can, and if you like more stiff icing, feel free to add more icing sugar. Or if you like it to be more runny, add a bit less icing sugar. If you did enjoy this recipe, please give it a big thumbs up, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel for a new recipe every week. Till the next recipe, bye-bye!